Hello guys, this will be a very quick video about my sled, but it's also concerning every owner of Yamaha Viper as well as Arctic Cat ZR7000. They all run the Yamaha Genesis engine, which is a 1049cc in there, and at the opposite of what everybody says on forums, it's very easy to replace spark plug on these engine, even if it's 4-stroke, so they don't really burn spark plug. I never burned or had bad spark plug on this thing. I replaced them at the beginning of the season, and I even believe that Yamaha recommend to replace them every 3 years. I'm not sure about that, so don't quote that last information. But anyway, I will show you where it's located, how easy it is, at least for my model. It is a 2014, but I don't believe the bodywork changed that much since then. So first you need to remove your side panel on the exhaust side. So you remove the lock pin here. You remove your side panel. Let me put that on the side. And you remove the plastic here that cover both sides. It's just a matter of removing one clip here. There's another clip on the other side. You pull this off, and then you got the side of your engine just over the exhaust pipe. You can see the 3 spark plug right there. My arm fit without any problem getting in there, even the third one. Obviously you need the exhaust to cool down because you will burn yourself, but as you can see, it's very easy to reach in there. As I said, I don't know for every model. The body is the same and the chassis is the same, so I doubt that it's very difficult to do that. So it's very easy to replace them on the side of the trail if you burn one. But as I said, I never heard anyone having a bad spark plug or burning a spark plug in the middle of the trail on these engines. These engines are very reliable. I never heard anything bad about them. So anyway, this was how easy it is to access a spark plug on a Genesis 1049cc. So this is it for now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as I will release another video. So on this, I wish everybody a great day and see you later. Bye.